In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post multiple reels on your Facebook page. So open the Facebook page. On the left hand side, click on professional dashboard, then click on content, and here you will see your published content. Next to publish, you will see the scheduled. Click on scheduled. So here is the list of my scheduled reels. This one will be posted tomorrow and this one on Thursday and so on. To upload the multiple videos or what you can say bulk reel, click on create, then select the bulk upload reels, then upload from your computer. Here we will select multiple videos. I have selected around 6 videos and click open. So now the uploading process has been started on the top to bottom. Now to schedule the each reel, all you need to do is click on this arrow, then select schedule for later, and here you have to select the date, update, and then select the time. So all our 6 videos uploading is finished. You can see the white tick mark, and also there is no copyright strike on any of them. Once the all is done, all you can do is you can click on add to content library. To see all our scheduled videos, again we will click on content and then scheduled, and here you can see that those 6 videos without title are the videos which we have just uploaded. So now to set the title and tags, all you need to do is just click on these 3 lines, then click on edit post. Here you have to paste your title, then on select the video options, paste the title, press Ctrl and T, open the new tag, and here use Facebook reel tag generator. Use the first option, paste your title here, select the number of tags you need, like I need 15, and you got the tags as well. Copy these tags, go back to the Facebook, paste the tags and click save, and again click save. Here you can see before it was with no text content. Now we have set the title for this particular video. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next one.